This is a channel about a man who scrapped together what little money he had to purchase a piece of property and try to create a mortgage-free life. Welcome to Slower. I'm standing inside a barn that my great-grandfather built by hand when my grandfather, who is 95 years old, was just a child. You can see his markings all over the barn, in fact, because each beam of this was disassembled from down the road, brought over here, and then built. So every beam here actually is much older than the roughly 100 years, almost 100 years, that it was erected and used for my family. So this is very, very old lumber. Behind me is the storage for lumber for, I don't know, probably 40 years, ever since the cows left. This was a dairy farm. So ever since the cows left, this has been used for lumber. Here there's some beams that were left over in the creation of the barn and such. Now I have been given access to a portion of the wood here. However, a few things are at play. One, my 95-year-old grandfather is very sentimental about all of these things, and so he wants to keep some of the old barn beams for himself. And two, I am not the only member of my family. I have uncles and aunts and mothers and all that stuff, and I can't just go in here and take absolutely everything out of here. However, I did talk with my grandfather today, and I cleared with him a few things that I wanted to take out of here. In addition to that, I also had some stuff that I've stored here for a number of years, including a bunch of cedar planking, which is very nice wood, and I'll be taking all of that home as well. Stomping through the underbrush, we smell like diesel fuel and lemon balm. Oh, it's me and you. It's a little tight in the car, but that's okay. Let our feet take control of our stomping through the underbrush, we smell like diesel fuel and lemon balm. Oh, it's me and you and me. Well, don't you remember why we came anyway? Well, I'm trying to remember my own name, but we can keep it together, together for one more day. When I started an Amazon wishlist, I had no idea how well that would be received. I would like to give a very hearty thank you because I have received many, many notifications that I'm actually getting things in the mail. You've honestly blown me away with the amount of kindness that's been shown to me. The first package from Amazon has arrived, and I mean, I put everything on the wish list, so even though I'm not sure what this is, I'm pretty sure that right now I could use what's in this bag for this project. So, let's see. Yeah. Yeah. This is exactly what I was hoping for. Patrick, thank you. Enjoy your gift. Good luck, Elijah. I'm rooting for you. If you ever need digital art, hit me up. Dude, Patrick, I might hit you up and take you up on that. It's honestly been amazing. I filled up my Amazon wish list, and 2 days later, almost everything on that had been purchased. I was honestly humbled by that. I didn't expect to be just gifted with that sort of blessing, if that makes sense. So I just wanted to say thank you. And I've pre-cut some wood here. I'm going to try and build a little roof for this As always with slower videos, these are not how-to videos. I'm not a professional. So I went to the P.O. box today. And it filled my car. Let's get into unboxing some of this. I am hyped. I bought myself an axe. It's just a small axe. I'll use this for kindling. We'll see how it goes. We'll give a proper review of this thing in the future. But for now, I got a little letter. Hey Elijah, I'll never turn away the chance to buy someone a knife and axe. Good luck. Love, Gary. Gary, you bought me an axe too? Holy crap. Oh, looks like it's got this weird little knife head cover. That's fun. That's cool. It's got a wood handle. Nice long blade. Came pretty sharp as well. Little spot for your hand there. It also comes with a sheath. We'll use this to open up all the boxes now too, so that'll be good. Overkill. Oh no, I didn't cut the letter in half. Whew. Hey Elijah, for your beverage needs while working, look for Katadyn MicroPur MP1 tablets. Also, they're the best for their kind. These filters might be a little slow for real-time filtering. From F. Googs. Oh, thanks, F. Googs. F. Googs is also a patron over at Patreon. Oh, awesome. And we're going to have to jump into a review of the Sawyer mini water filtration system in the next few days as well. I don't know F. Googs' real name. It just, his name on Patreon is Feck Google, which I think is pretty funny. Don't cut myself open. Hey, this Perkins knife came reasonably sharp, you know. I'm gonna still sharpen it up, but like, it's not dull. You could slice yourself up something good with this if you were plenty accidental. But What are you doing, Elijah? That's not how you open a box. Oh, yeah. This is great. I'm excited for this. I'm gonna make some tea. It's genuine tea excitement. There's something else in here. Don't read the letter. Let's read the letters. Hi, Elijah. Enjoy your gift from Jor 420 Camel. Hey, thanks. Wait, Jor? I can't read. Joe 420 Camel. That makes a lot more sense than Jor. This, I'm gonna take a guess. This is a hatchet. This is taped well. Hatchet 1, slower 0. Oh my gosh, this knife is just like, it cuts through tape like a knife through tape. It's just incredible. Now let me tell you what, right off the bat, the axe that I bought myself did not come with a fancy sheath. This, I didn't even expect it to have a nice little cover that it can fit on your belt loop. Dude, you know I'm gonna carry this around in the woods on my belt. Oh yeah, we need to sharpen this guy, but boy will this be fun. That's a great little hatchet, Snow and Neely. It's made in Smyrna, Maine, not too far away, so that's fun. I'm excited to use that. Not even an inkling about what this is here. This, you know, anonymous box. I'm pulling it out and I'm still none the wiser. Hi Elijah, enjoy your new gift from Gary. Ha! Gary. Enjoy your new gift from Gary. That is Gary from 420 Science. Shout out to Gary from 420 Science. You are hooking me up, bro. You've got me 2 gifts now. That's too kind of you. Yeah, this is beast. So, you might be like, Elijah, why do you have 2 hatchets now? Well, this isn't just a hatchet. This is also a hammer. Double duty, you know what I'm saying? So, I got the hatchet hammer, and I got the woods hatchet. You know, this is for when we go out in the woods, we're hanging out. It's got its little case, which is over here. Hooks to my belt. Collecting firewood. Come home, get my other hatchet out and start working on the house. Don't hit yourself in the face with the sharp part while you're swinging at nails. Oh, the leather feels nice. I like that. Oh, so cool, so cool. Hi, Elijah. This wasn't cheap, but I hope to see you use it, and please don't hurt yourself in the process. F Googs. F Googs, I want you to know, I fully appreciate that. I really do. And this is what you got me. Boom. That's a pipe hammer. Is that what you call that? Either way, you beat a pipe into the ground with this. I'm excited to use this F Googs, and thank you so much. That's, like, I'm honestly really grateful. We're gonna use this probably in the next week or 2 as we try and put a well in by hand. The last thing I picked up from my P.O. box today. Oh, wow. Joe 420 Camel again. Here at marijuanapassion.com/forum. My suggestion worked well in a garage. Yours will work better for you. May it serve you well. Oh yeah. He sent me a suggestion on Patreon as well, which was a very good suggestion. I just didn't have the money for it, I believe is what he's referring to here. But yeah, marijuanapassion.com/forum. If you're into cannabis, I have a different channel, so if you're wondering, why the hell does everyone who comments on this channel smoke weed? Hey, there's your answer. We go smoke weed on a different channel together. So yeah, check out that website, dude. Thank you so much for the solar panel. That is no small gift, man. That is incredible. Everything here is just really incredible, and I'm pretty sure that there's actually more in the mail. As I speak, which I am just like, I don't even really know what to say about it, because when I figured out how much was coming, I was honestly a little bit overcome with it all and a little bit like overwhelmed. It feels like quite a bit. I should open this up and look at it instead of just like talk. But it's true, I feel, I don't know how to say it, but like knowing that other people have now put into this project like this in this manner makes me feel very responsible for the outcome. So I'm not taking it lightly, if that makes sense, and it makes me really kind of like look at everything in a sober manner and try and just do the best job I can with what I'm given. So let's pull out this panel. That looks shattered. Wow. Right? Yeah, oh yeah, that's shattered. Man, that's a shame. I'm gonna have to contact Amazon and have them resend this, but I'm sure they'll send out a new one, and we'll get a new one in replacement for this. But I don't know if you can tell, but this thing is shattered AF. The glass on that is just toast. Send this back, we'll get it replaced. And if not, I'll actually see if Amazon can just give back the money to the person who bought this Joe 420 camel, because that's not cool, you know, if you bought something and it came broken. So I am, again, so grateful for this, and just really, really excited about the project in general and how much you guys have helped me. So much Amazon packaging for kindling, guys. Thank you. I love a tool that can do multiple things. I can light fires with this, and then obviously I use it to make creme brulee. I like it. Shallow, but I can still smell the river in your hair from the last time that we swam there, and the smell is driving me wild. Where can I run from? Oh, the smell is driving me wild. Where can I run from? Where can I run from? And now I'm missing you. Oh, I'm afraid to say it, because I think it's true and know that it won't go away. It is always on my mind. I mean that you've been reading it, and you're a book that I've split and spent some time with. Of course it's all the time that I am thinking it, that I am feeling it. Oh, I'm missing it, and when it's good, and when it's warm, you can find me in the shallow, but I can still driving me wild. Where can I run from me? Oh, the smell is driving me wild. Where can I run from me?
Get back here.
I tried the whole country, and no one else will do. It's actually snowing right now. I don't know if you guys can tell, but flurries are coming down while I'm cooking dinner here. Mom.